Okay, so this video was actually meant to be a tutorial. However, it proved to be a little bit more challenging than I thought it would be, trying to get all the angles. I just decided, you know what, this is not gonna work. After looking at the footage, I was like, this is really cute actually. So let me just go ahead and share the experience of cutting my son's hair. And I don't know, if you learn something here and there, that's great. Although I know that the angles are not wonderful. But I figured you'd probably find a little bit of joy out of it. I thought it was really cute. So again, this is not a tutorial, and also I was not expecting to use the audio from the camera. I was gonna do like a voiceover, but since I'm not making a tutorial, the audio will come from the camera, so I hope you don't mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this session of cutting my son Theo's hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look so funny. What is
My
it?
self is big.
You got a big head, boy.
I'm not K-side.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not K-side.
The YouTuber?
Yeah. He has a big
But
forehead.
why you got? What the heck did he do to you that you're gonna come out here talking about not KSI? What the heck? Not cool, bro.
He has a really big forehead.
Okay, well, let's get this done, sir.
It already hurts.
I haven't done anything yet. I haven't even touched you.
I know. Ow. Hello.
Walk straight. Thank you, baby. Did that upset you?
Yeah.
Why?
Isn't it?
But why?
Because I like you call me baby.
You'll always be my baby, no matter what. There's a knot at the end of the bucket, dear Liza, dear Liza.
No, the screen thing. The weight thing.
What
See?
weight thing?
On my face.
Oh,
On the
this?
screen. Yeah.
That's just your skin, baby.
No. The white thing around my face. Like the white box.
Oh, because the camera's focusing on you.
Ugh. I don't want to have it around my face.
You're the star, star, star,
You
star.
see?
Kita, and you are the star. Don't move, please, because my finger will get cut.
My nose itches.
Okay, my finger will get cut. Did you hear that part? Oh, look, you still have your nice length on the side. Look at that. Yeah, you look cool, sir. You look awesome. Bruh. And what you don't know.
You still know that this is attached to my head.
Yes, babe, I do know that it's attached to your head.
So when you pull it, it hurts.
Oh, is that how that works? Oh
Yeah.
my god, I'm so sorry.
Keep your head still. It's almost done.
Yes, so strong.
Can you not push me forward?
Can you hold
Pushing me forward.
Can you not push your neck forward? Can you not hold your neck still?
I can't.
Why can't you? I can't.
I can't just hold myself still.
You can't
like
hold
30
yourself
seconds.
still.
Hello. Hate comb.
You hate combs?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people with curly hair do. You want to look crazy? I'll let you go right now. You can look like a Sasquatch. Now we're cooking. What you don't know. Almost done, kiddo.
That much hair.
Yeah, you got a lot of hair in your head. I haven't finished the other side yet. Don't be so cute. Don't be so cute. You're such a cutie. Never mind. Disgusting. Take it back.
Now from here looks like I have a square head.
SpongeBob SquareHead.
Seriously?
SpongeBob SquareHead. Okay, you have a whole other side of your head to do still, bruh. Who told you to have so much hair?
Mommy, you.
So straight. Nice tall back. There you go.
Ow.
Okay, this is combing. This is
Hate combing.
I'm sorry.
You're dropping the hair in my eye.
Oh, wait, close your eyeballs. Is this how you would act if I brought you to a salon? And
Yes.
Oh. We're almost there. Almost there.
Mommy was.
Aw, Mio, you look so miserable, baby.
I
I'm
am.
so sorry. It's the last section.
Good. My
Okay.
head's numb now.
I've become so numb, I can feel you. Sit up straight. This is the last section. You want to stop now? This is the last section. Come on. We got this. Oh, Theo, you're so fine. You're so fine. You're blowing on my head.
Ow. Can you make this side shorter than this side?
Huh? Yeah, this is the side. That's the top. Charlotte, let me do my work. Golly, over here cooking in my kitchen.
My tongue is pink. Nah. It's finally done.
Look, you still have your bangs.
Good. Ow. 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 Ow.
You look amazing and not super happy.
This is my hair.
Look at the camera. I want to transition out.
Mm.
Let's go.
What hair?
Right, all right. Look at how tiny your head looks. Where did your hair go? Where'd it go?
I have white poop on top of my head now.
Feels good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Now that all the tangles are out.
Yeah, it's like a massage on your head.
Yeah. Try Million Hair Care.
Oh, I didn't even use melanin hair care here.
Still try it.
Oh, okay.
It's amazing.
Oh, that's good. Okay. All right, let me figure out.
I want to help with go all the way to here.
All right, I'll let you do it. Let me walk away. Woosa. Oh my God, look close. It's very nice. Okay, let me help you.
No, I got it. This is moose.
Yes, this is moose. Yay. Swipe or no swiping? Like it? Like a fancy side part? Oh, yeah, it looks really good. You look great, Theo. Very handsome. Looks so nice, Theo.
Look at the other wall.
Yeah.